Hello students, today we are going to start our second lesson, Early Humans, and in this lesson we are going to cover two main topics, lifestyle of early human beings and the Stone Age, right? So let's begin with the lifestyle of early humans. Early humans were completely different than the humans of today. They were not civilized. Basically, they were hunter gatherers and nomads. Nomads means very innocent without having any knowledge. Even they didn't have the basic knowledge to cook the food, right? They traveled from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter, and they lived in caves, on trees, and in rock shelters, right? So, this is all about their style of living, how they lived during the early age, right? So, the next one is the Stone Age. The Stone Age can be divided into three periods based on the type and quality of stone tools that early humans used. Right? Basically, they chipped the stones so that they could be used as tools. That is why that period is called the Stone Age. The Stone Age divided into three parts or three ages. The first one is Paleolithic, second one is Mesolithic, and the third one is Neolithic, right? Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. So the first one is Paleolithic, which is also called Old Stone Age. This period lasted from early times till about 10,000 BCE, that is still about early 12,000 years ago. And the Paleolithic age further divided into three parts, early, middle, and late Paleolithic. This division had done based on the stone tools used by humans during this period. During the Paleolithic age, the people used stone tools, and the further classification had done on the basis of that tools, right? So the second one is Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. This period lasted from 10,000 BCE till 8,000 BCE. So the Paleolithic age was completed in 10,000 BCE, and after that the Middle Age was started, the Mesolithic age, and it lasted till 8,000 BCE, right? During this period, the stone tools were called microlithic. Micro means small, lithic means stones, and they were smaller, sharp, and more efficient than the tools of the Paleolithic age. The tools were made by using animal bones and horns. So now the tools were improved in the Mesolithic age. In the Paleolithic age, the tools were not very advanced, the tools were not very sharper, but in Mesolithic age, the tools were smaller in size and they were more sharp than the tools in Paleolithic age, right? Last one is, and the third one is Neolithic age. This period lasted 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. Now the Mesolithic age was completed in 8,000 BC, and after that the Neolithic age was started, which lasted up to 4,000 BCE. During this period, the tools were much sharper than the ones used in the Mesolithic age. In Mesolithic age, the tools were sharper than the Paleolithic age, and in Neolithic age, the tools were more sharper than the tools in Mesolithic age, right? And even in Neolithic age, the tools were also used to ignite the fire. During this period, they discovered the fire as well. And the important tools were axes, sickles, spears, and arrowheads. And these tools were found in India and other parts of the world. So this is all about the lifestyle of early humans and the Stone Age, right?